Crab on the butt.
Cute.
Cart, don't get too close, hon. You don't want to scare them. I don't think you're supposed to touch them. It's got a really